All right, here we go. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Your weight was really behind on the Italian, yeah? 5, 6, 7, here we go. And 1, push. Watch your back arm, not so high. Front arm higher. Yeah. No, not bad at all, madam. Right? Your first set was really nice coming down. You threw your arms behind your head trying to make the Italian happen. So keep that weight forward as you take your step. Right? The rest of it was right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Those assemblés were so much better. Did they feel better?
Yeah.
You're hitting air much better when you do that. Yeah. You're getting up better. All right. Can we try again? Starting to show up. I think this is going to be an exciting year. Yeah? Good job, man. Thank you.